Hey guys, Caylen here with Modern Day Sniper, and we are out on the range. I just got the new Really Right Stuff Ascend tripod, and we're going to put it through its paces. The Really Right Stuff Ascend tripod is a tripod that's designed for hunting. And my style of hunting, I spend the majority of my time glassing, and a very small amount of time is going to be spent shooting from the tripod. So a lot of the features that I look for in a hunting tripod are features that allow me to glass really effectively, and that means having a really strong, stable platform and easy to manipulate controls, especially with gloved hands when it's freezing cold outside and you're sitting there doing nothing for 12 hours except looking through optics. So we're going to go ahead and get it set up, throw some binos on it, and see how it performs. All right, guys, the attachment method's just a standard Arca Swiss plate that you'd find on any of the Really Right Stuff tripod gear, and it's very simple, just like all the rest of it. Done. Okay, guys, we got two adjustments here. We have a tilt, and then we have a pan. The tilt is controlled by this lever right here in the front. It's basically a really miniature ball head. So you can release that and pan your binos up and down. Lock it in place when you're in your position that you want. And then there is another small lever right here that you can unlock this and allow the binos to pan left and right. This is a feature that I'm going to use quite a bit. I like to set my elevation and lock the elevation in place and then pan left to right or right to left depending on what the terrain is. The only thing that I would really like to see, if I could change anything, would be to add a little bit bigger lever here or extend the lever out so that I can work on that lever with gloved hands if I'm here glassing in the really cold weather with big heavy mittens on. All the other levers are easy to get to, very easy to manipulate, and other than that, I think that this is going to be a great asset for my hunting gear next year. All right, so our first target is 500 yards. The return from recoil back to the natural point of aim is on point, especially for such a small tripod with a heavy recoil and rifle like the 7 SAUM. So we're going to shoot from the kneeling position and see how it does too. Again, recoil recovery is just as good in the kneeling position as it is in the sitting. So let's try the standing position. From the standing position, we're probably going to have the center column extended almost all the way out. But even so, I still want to test it and see how it does. And again, same, obviously it's a little less stable because we got the center column extended and we're kind of on a side hill from the standing position here, but fantastic tripod. I cannot wait to use this during hunting season.